She thinks if she does this, her what is it?
My
Hiccups
hiccups will go away.
go away. Okay, let's see if it works. Do it. Are you breathing though or no?
No.
Okay, so everybody, she's not breathing. Oh shit, she's breathing right now. Okay, stop breathing. Okay, yeah. And she thinks that that's gonna stop the hiccups. Loki, this looks like a possession movie. That's funny.
I think I don't have them anymore.
Oh yeah, you're welcome. So that's how you get rid of hiccups.